going on? This is Aaron Guyett. Hey, I'm with 29. Battle rope benefit number 29. That's a lot of benefits, and it's going to continue. Hey, so this one is great for groups, great for teams. So if you're outdoor like boot camp trainer or indoor boot camp trainer, or you just have a lot of groups, or you specialize in athletic teams, whatever, right? I love it because let's say I'm training power, then I'll say, okay, hey, you're going to do either modified star jumps or some sort of star movement, right? Or fully explosive star jumps. You're going to do 3, then you're going to get in the back of the line, and the next person's going to do their 3, right? So I'll do my fully explosive, 2, 3, and then I hand it off, and then maybe the partner, they're doing a modified version, right? Nice. And then the third person up, they're doing a modified, but they can jump a little bit higher, right? And so on and so forth. So I can have a group of 5, a group of 7, even a group of 10. And by the time that first person went and they've got reset, right, then now it's their turn up again and they can go, right? Or we could do, hey, okay, we got a team and we're going to practice our lateral movement, but engage with another variable movement up top. So they're side to side and they're working strength. So I've got 8 ropes out and they've got to go for 20 seconds on. Then they're going to take 20 seconds off while their partner goes, right? And I can easily call out as a coach modified. Okay, I just want you to step, no hopping, just step, boom, rest, good, 20 seconds. All right, next person's up, and then so on and so forth, right? So incredible for teams, incredible for groups. Battle rope benefit number 29.